This is the Zoo Cat. We don't own anything except our voices. Dear Toots, roses are red, violets are blue, mice are nice, but oh, you kid.
There's a shit wrong, Tommy. You know that.
Well, I couldn't find anything. Fuck. Damn.
Come on, man. Think next time. Think.
Alright.
Oh, you just not gonna listen to me, huh?
Alright. Boom.
Why don't you get some makeup for your ugly ass face?
You mean some because you stink?
With your fish breath? Talk about me stinking.
Just shut up and suffocate up in there. Oh yeah. Woo! I'm so ready for this. Dog. Yahoo! Hey, Toots!
Was your last date name Toots? There she is right there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's cooking, Toots? Check out your fag ass day over there.
Hey! I love you.
Look at Tom's face right there.
He
looks like a fucking weasel. Would you really want to suck cock from that shit?
Hey, Shaky. I love you, man. Here's some flowers.
Yeah, that's my response. Just a big punch in the face.
Please don't do that. Please don't say that. What the
you're corny.
No, I'm not. No, I don't. Come on. No, I don't. Come on.
Oh, she's dissing the shit out of you, Tom.
No, I'm not.
A corner. Oh, that is the ultimate insult.
What the fuck? At least give me a blowjob. At least. Huh? Oh.
I'm a mouse, just to be corrected. Here you go, you corn husker. You
know what that fucking means?
Yeah, dude. That means you're a faggot.
Huh? Stop calling me that! Wait a second.
That's just K-Cat the radio.
I wish she was my wife. Hip to the jive. Zoot. I've heard about this. Zoot. Reef plate, that is awesome! Man, this bitch is gonna love me 10 times more than any other bitch I've ever dated. Wait a second, I actually know it. I know what it looks like. Does this get this? Now cut that bitch up. Hopefully he doesn't know this. Hey, baby! What's jumping, chick?
What the hell, Times? What? The Zoot? That costs 5 G's. How do you get money to pay for that?
Yeah.
Oh, you just cut out some cheap ass.
Fuck you, Jerry. Yeah. I measure great,
I gotta say,
right?
you have a pretty good memory. I'll say that much.
Well, alright. You ready to dance, baby? Yeah, I hear you. Loud and clear. Let's fucking do this! The gun! Oh, woo! This also sucks shit, but whatever. Man, you got the moves. I got the moves like Jagger. I got the moves.
Man, anybody can shuffle damn feet. Let me dance for her.
Oh,
here we
take
go.
it.
See that? It takes professional dancing, man. It takes professional skills, you know what I'm saying, Tom? What? But I do it better since your time is your shit at it.
Huh?
Right in your face. I know you got the asthma.
Oh, fuck! Okay. Well, yeah, got the moves like Jagger, bitch.
Oh, you want to ignore me? I'm gonna tell you you're a fraud, Tom. You know what? You're a fraud.
Boom. Alright, good improvising.
You even know how to play the piano?
I love you. When I'm with you, I'm what you call a hip cat. I'm hip to the jive. I'm in the groove, darling. Get that pussy night. Yeah. I set my soul on fire.
Yeah, it sure sets
But
something on fire,
it's
doesn't
a
it?
little spark.
But not your soul,
is a
specifically your
flame.
feet.
Big light
Yep.
flame. I can feel it now. It is
Burning.
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 Wait a second. Say, something is burning around it.
Your foot. Come cool me down, asshole. Oh, here we go. Fall in the hole. Now, so I mean, show you some real ass dancing. Anyone can show with their feet. But it takes real skills. You got it, Tom.
Oh, no.
You want to take a video?
Oh, now I'm busting your balls in.
Whoa. How about take away your hat, bitch, and bust your head in? Here, trip. Watch where you're going, idiot.
Okay, you want to trip now? Okay.
All right.
Fuck ass.
How can you when you're hanging up from a sheet? Eye gouge.
It's bothering. You can see me from the eye bleed. What? Wait a second.
Access denied. Go right in the water. There you go.
Well, my clothes aren't up.
That's not the time for washing time.
Oh no! Please don't tell me Jack can't fit it down.
Yeah, sure can. I'm the Zoot right now. I'm the new Michael Jackson. Hey.